Do you feel stuck in life, like you don't know what you are doing or where you are going? Then this is the video for you, to help you back on track. Welcome to Ask AI, the channel where your weirdest questions get the VIP treatment from our silicon-brained superstar. We asked AI how to change your life. How often have you felt stuck in your everyday life? The alarm is buzzing, but you hit the snooze button to get those extra minutes in bed. You are tired and don't want to get out of the warm and cozy bed. Finally, you manage to get up, all tired and exhausted. And now you are in a hurry to work because you snoozed a little extra. You make it to work just in time, even though you have spent an hour in traffic. At work, you are faced with tons to do and stupid co-workers that only wants to complain and drain your energy. The only thing you can think about is the weekend, although it is only Monday. You make it through the week, and when the weekend finally arrives, you are completely drained, both physically exhausted and mentally drained. The hard-earned salary disappears in the blink of an eye, only to cover the essentials like rent, gas, groceries. If you are lucky, there is some money left after all the expenses. And so, it goes on and on, day after day, week after week, year after year. You scroll through social media and see all these videos of how to become successful, on how to change your life, etc. You think to yourself that I too will make a change. I'm going to change my life and become successful. You read a book, you pay some mentor for inspiration, etc. You give it a real go for a week or two. But soon enough, you're back where you started. Back to square one, where you don't want to be. So how do you change your life? Where to begin? What does it take? How do you do it? How have others done it? What separates them from the rest? What does changing your life mean to you? That is what we are here to find out. What does changing your life mean to you, and how can you achieve it? Changing your life means intentionally shifting, often in fundamental ways, your habits, mindset, environment, relationships, and goals so that who you are and what you do better align with what matters most to you. It isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Your values, strengths, constraints, and dreams will shape exactly how your journey in life unfolds. This video will be the first one of a series where we debunk this question. We will do that with a flexible, multi-phase roadmap where you can adapt to your own circumstances. Each video will go into detail for each phase of this roadmap, where each phase contains concrete steps you can take, actions other successful people have taken, realistic effort to put into it along with some potential obstacles to overcome. Before jumping right into it, one important question that you should ask yourself is, who are you and what do you want? Keep that question in mind while watching the rest of the video. This is the roadmap to changing your life. Phase 1, self-discovery and assessment. Life audit, values inventory, strengths and weaknesses, personal interests, emotional check-in. Phase 2, set SMART goals. Specific goal, measurable goal, achievable goal, relevant goal, time-bound goal. Phase 3, strategic planning. Break down goals into milestones, weekly and daily tasks. Identify resources and support. Phase 4, execution and habit formation. Start small and build. Use reminders and tracking. Optimize environment. Maintain consistency over intensity. Phase 5, cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. Constantly seek to improve. Seek feedback. Phase 6, reflection, adaptation, and growth. Regular retrospective. Iterate on goals and plans. Cultivate resilience. Celebrate milestones. Phase 7, invest in yourself. Skill building, health fundamentals, mind care. This is the roadmap that can help you change your life. But how much time do you need to spend, and where do you begin? How do you stay motivated? Well, that really depends on you. What goals you have, how fast do you want to achieve them, and what drives you. Don't worry. This can seem as a lot at first. But the most important thing is that you start at all. Even if it is only a few minutes each week, you got to start somewhere. Often when people want to learn something new or want to achieve something, they wanted immediate results. Let's say you're in your 30s and you are constantly trying to find a way of becoming wealthier in terms of money. You try some online hustles, you try social media, you try whatever. But quite soon you realize that it doesn't give you that immediate result that you wanted. It didn't turn you rich. So, you give up. But then 5 years later, you're still looking for new ways of getting rich. If you would just have kept grinding, you might have been much closer to your goal 5 years later, rather than at the same place. Your desires aren't going anywhere, even if you don't pursue them. Transforming your life is a journey of continuous, incremental improvements. By clarifying your vision, setting smart goals, building keystone habits, and regularly reflecting, you'll create sustainable change. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Small daily steps add up to big results over time. You've got this. Start today by choosing one tiny action and build from there. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Make a comment of what your goal is and where in life you are right now. Tag along on this journey where we delve into the depth of this question. Together, we can make a change. Make sure to watch next episodes where we dive a bit deeper in each phase using AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.